Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to install Visual Studio Code on our computer. Visual Studio Code is the text editor we will use for our projects. To install Visual Studio Code, in Google, type Visual Studio Code in the search box. Once you type Visual Studio Code, press enter. Under your Google search results, make sure it is the one that says code.visualstudio.com. Select download. Then on this page, you will see the different operating systems you can download Visual Studio Code to. Since I'm downloading Visual Studio Code on my Windows computer, I'll select Windows. There you go. It has downloaded the executable file for Visual Studio Code on my computer, and you can see it here. I'm going to right-click on it and click Show in Folder. In my Downloads directory, the file is here. Just like I said in the previous lecture, if you click the download button and you don't see anything here, check your Downloads directory on your computer and it should be there. Once you've seen the executable file in the Downloads directory, double-click on it to start the installation. I'm going to accept the agreement and click Next. Then I'll click Next again. I'll click Next again. Click Next and click Install. It is installing Visual Studio Code on my computer and I'll wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation has been completed, you can click Finish. And if you check this box, it would open it for the first time. So I'll click Finish. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on our computer. If you have any questions or there's any part of this lecture you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.